Insta360 and AI is the best combination out there. They're the only action camera company that can do this, and they've just made it even better to create those crazy AI warps. So if you've never tried the AI warp in Shot Labs on the Insta360 app, and you don't even have an Insta360 camera, but you would love to try it, well then, Insta360 are currently running a promotion. If you get invited by an influencer or someone who has an Insta360 camera and the app, they can invite you to get 10 free AI warps as a trial to see if you like it. How cool is that? So even if you don't have an Insta360 camera, you can still use the AI warp. But wait, you say, but doesn't AI warp only work with Insta360 cameras? No, you can shoot footage on your phone and then use that footage in the AI warp in Shot Lab to create those crazy AI warp videos. So how do you get the 10 free AI warps if you don't have an Insta360 camera? Well, if you have a friend or you know someone that has the Insta360 app and an Insta360 camera, they simply just send you a QR code for you to scan, and then you're eligible to get the 10 free AI warps. So how easy is that? And then you can test it out for yourself. Now, after you have used the 10 free AI warps, there is an option where you can purchase that. If you do not have an Insta360 camera, you can purchase what they call diamonds. Then you can use those diamonds to use the AI warp feature. But if you decide that you really like it, then you go, I just might get myself an Insta360 camera. Well, then you'll get 3 AI warp edits every day that you can use for absolutely free. All right, so let's get into how to use the AI warp feature with only the footage shot on your phone. All right, so once the app is downloaded, simply just open it up, and then you want to go over to edit. Then you will see AI warp straight up the top. Select AI warp. We're going to be using this theme, and there you go. All your footage from your phone is already going to be there, and you have not got an Insta360 camera connected to it. So now all you select is the video that you want to AI warp, then press next. You can only use a clip up to 15 seconds long, and in that 15 seconds, you'll get 2 to 4 seconds of AI warp. So select the part of the clip that you want. We're just going to be using this one. Then you're going to click on the tick mark in the top right hand corner, and then you're going to select the portion of that video that you want to AI warp. We're going to use this one of my wonderful pug dog named Pickle, and then we're going to go to next. We're going to agree. All right, so now we've got all different styles that we can already generate straight away if we want. So we've got cyberpunk, space, retro, anime, sci-fi, voxel, spring, 8-bit, winterland, spring festival, I think that one is, and jungle. So we've got already those ones preset in as well, but you can do a custom one. So you can select custom, and then you can type in whatever you want in there for the AI warp to generate. So let's turn my wonderful little pug into a huge lion. So we're gonna go lion in the jungle, and then we're going to hit enter or return, and then the tick on the top right of that. So that's what we're going to be using for our AI warp. We've also got one other section that we can adjust. So as you see, it says full. So that's the whole video that's going to be AI warped. But we can just go custom and then use your finger and highlight the areas that you want to AI warp. So you simply can just get your finger, draw around the area that you want, like so. And then that's only going to warp that part of the area. Look, I want the whole video done as that, so I'm just going to hit exit because I don't want it. So from that, I've got selected the custom, which is the line in the jungle, and then I'm going to go make AI video. So you select make AI video, then it's going to load that video up to the Insta360 server, and then it will generate the AI video for you. So that can take some time depending on how busy the AI server is. So it's going to be saying 2 minutes. So let's come back in 2 minutes and have a look at that AI feature. And on a side note, you do not have to keep the app open once you have loaded up to the server. You can close it off and then you don't have to worry about it. Insta360 will send you a notification once the AI warp edit is complete and ready for you to view. Simply just tap on that notification and it's going to bring you straight to your edit. As you can see, it says AI warp. Tap on that. It will merge that together. So simply just wait for that to merge. It doesn't take long at all. And then you can watch your AI edit. Simply just tap on it. And as you can see, we've got my wonderful dog Pickle here turning into a big lion in the jungle. How cool is that? And it was so simple to do. From there, you can either do half speed or quarter speed, and it just slows that footage down. If you choose quarter speed, it's going to do that video up to 30 seconds. Now, to export the video, click on the top right, you'll see the little export button. You can do a quick export, and it's going to export straight away to your device, or you can do custom where you can adjust some of the parameters. Because it's AI warp edit, it's only going to export that in 1080p and 30 frames a second. But crank up your bit rate to 100% so you can cram as much information from that video into your export. And then you're going to hit color plus and remove grain. And it's simply that easy. Hit export, and then it's going to export that AI warp to your device, and then you can post it on your social medias or whatever you need to do. So to participate in this deal and get the 10 free AI warps, simply if you know someone with the Insta360 app already and a camera, simply just get them to open it up and go invite now, and there's a QR code ready for you to scan to be able to get your 10 free AI warps. So this benefit is only available to the 10th of July. So jump on, have a crack at it, see if you like it, and if you don't want to buy an Insta360 camera, you can still use the AI warp feature. You just got to buy those diamonds. But I'm telling you, at the moment, Insta360 have a huge end of year sale, so you can pick up so many great bargains. You can get any of the cameras that you want, or even get as many as I have. Those links will all down below, guys. They are affiliated links, and I do get a kickback from it, so thank you very much if you do buy from there. Everything else that I use will all be down there below as well. And guys, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from Colin, out.